I really liked what they said about the Hoper program. I love that you can get up to $13,000 of earned income. And that's really the biggest difference that I noticed in the program is it's not a grant. It's not a second loan. It's genuinely $13,000 that you earned by agreeing to do counseling.
Yeah. And you could put it towards anything too, paying off debts, down payment, closing costs. There's no restrictions on that end of things.
Jacob was saying that one guy paid off a car for $7,000 and then he used the rest for other means.
Yeah, or you can keep it and keep money in your pocket and not clear out your entire savings, which most people have to in this market.
Yep, generally draining their bank account. The other thing is, I didn't realize you don't have to be a first-time home buyer.
Nope.
So you can actually, anytime you can go buy a home and you can get solar panels put on, financed in the first mortgage, which is the best deal of it all right there.
So you own it,
so
and you're not
own
leasing it or...
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the coolest thing. And you can refinance it. You can actually refinance.
Yeah.
That was crazy. You can refinance. You don't have solar panels. You want to refinance to put solar panels on and still earn $13,000. You can do that.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
And you could refinance after you buy with the panels too, which usually with seconds, well, this isn't a second, but a normal second lien, it's difficult to refinance because the LTV is too high. But FHA has a streamlined refinance where even if you purchased with that and had a higher LTV, you can still do that streamlined, so it doesn't prevent you or tie your hands that way.
That's right. That's incredible. I just don't see any reason why, if you want solar panels, why you wouldn't do the Hoper program. Yep. I mean, even if you have the money set aside and you don't need this program, this is going to still benefit you. You're going to get $13,000 for basically 14 hours of online counseling.
Yeah.
So it's $1,000 an hour you're earning.
Yeah, and honestly, I haven't taken the class or anything myself, but from a few buyers that have, they said the class is very useful. It's not specific to solar. It's about being better financially. They do one before, and then they do one after as well. And honestly, most people need that, right? Because sometimes they get a home and they get a new car loan, and now they're drowning in cash flow, and it's a problem, right? So I think that post-closing is really useful for a lot of people, and they actually try to help versus, just be like, oh, well, here's a, thing you click through and you're done.
In the heart of it, that's what I appreciate the most, is they really are looking out for the buyers, for the clients, that they don't get into any financial problems. And they actually monitor their credit for the next year after. Yep. I don't know any other programs that are doing that. So this is really good. Seems favorable. So yeah, if you want solar panels, I would say this is definitely the loan to go for.
Even if you're just open to them, I think it's worth going into it and seeing how the payment shakes out, how much you can save on electricity from a numbers standpoint. But yeah, I think it's a great option, and it's a good chunk of money too.
Also, gosh, they said that if the house already has solar panels, which generally you'd think, oh, it's not going to work for the program because the house already has solar panels. That's not true. They can send out their guy to look on the house and see if there's any space for more panels. And if there's enough space to finance panels, then you can finance panels into the loan and still do the Hoper program, get up to $13,000.
That's interesting. Or maybe get the battery and some of the add-ons to make it even better or more efficient.
Yeah, for sure.
Interesting. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, that's pretty rad. So yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate you talking about it.
Yeah.
Cool.